This is my favorite recipe for reusing your leftover chili. If you are a mom on the go, or you have football or baseball, or you're always moving and you just need something that you can just pop in the microwave real quick and it's like a little mini meal, well, here you go. I start off by using the puff pastry sheets, and I cut them into a 3" by 3" square. Now I take those squares and, well, first I have to spray down the pan. Don't want those beauties to stick in that thing. Then you're going to just fit each square into the tin as if they're going to be little pies. These are so easy to make and they taste so good. And when you're on your 4th day of chili, it's nice to switch it up a little bit. Now I add cheese to the bottom. And start filling it with the chili. Now my chili is a vegetarian chili, but any chili would do. You don't want to go too full because it will start spilling over your pan. So to alleviate that mess, just make sure you know where your line is. And I top it off with some more shredded cheese. That's just a mixture of cheddar and cobalt, Monterey, and mozzarella, I think. I usually go through a full sheet, and that does 8 of them. Now if you find that you cut your square a little too short, just stretch it out. Now you only need to pop these in the oven for about 15 minutes on 400. You do want to check on them because everybody's oven is different. As you can tell, I had to add a little bit more cheese because yes, I am a cheesehead and I love my cheese. So on top of that 3 cheese blend, I also added some pepper jack cheese just to spice it up a tad bit, which just made it even ooier and gooier. And there you go. That's your end result. You can grab it and go. That is after it cools down a little bit. But these are great because you can eat them like a muffin. You can literally take it and go. And you have a little chili on wheels, if you will. I enjoy these because if you're hungry and you just got a little time before dinner and you just want something to take that edge off, these are perfect. You can freeze them, pull them out, microwave them. They're most delicious fresh, but if you want to freeze them, they do well there too. So there you go. absolutely wonderful deliciousness on the go. If you like this, subscribe to my channel because I will have plenty more. I love to cook. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.